Hi, my name is Amrit.
And I'm Ashwiza, and we are Team Miracle. Today we'll be presenting AutoClaim 360.
So, AutoClaims 360 is a self service portal for dealerships to pre authorize and validate vehicle claims in minutes, not hours. So, let's jump into the platform itself and take a look at how we can reduce the turnaround time of humans manually spending hours to process claims.
Here, a user can come in and then start a claim by entering in a VIN number and then providing an explanation. So, explanation is basically a context to an agent to give better results, and then also upload few images for analysis and then submit for analysis. So basically, instead of showing a preloader with dummy pages, so we kind of basically built a streaming API that gives a step-by-step output of each agent. So here you can see the output of each agent as and when it happens. So this gives us a real-time picture of what these agents thought process is and why it came to that conclusion. And basically, this streaming is a custom built API that we built to give better transparency and also to identify the consistency of the results. And here we have a report that's generated, basically aggregating all these agents outputs and into a well structured document so that this can be used for decision making. And so let's see how we could achieve this. Take a look at the architecture.
So for the architecture, at the core, we have a fast API backend deployed on the Google Cloud Run, which acts as an entry point for all user requests from a React front-end web app. So when a dealership submits a claim, the data is securely stored in cloud storage and cloud SQL, and the session is triggered for processing. Now, the Google ADK orchestrator kicks in. This is where all our agents start working in a streamlined sequential pipeline, each specialized in a specific task.
So let's dig a little deeper into what each of these agents does. So we have an inspection agent and a vision agent that basically checks the images for authenticity and also checks the vehicle damage and then can classify which side is it on and the damage severity. And then we have a win agent that basically decodes a win and then gives the information related to that win. So we have a knowledge agent basically that takes a structured data and semantically searches these information, and this data we have generated synthetically and put into Google Cloud Storage. And finally, we have a report agent that basically aggregates all the outputs of these agents and then structures them and semantically gives a report. So for future, we can expand this use case and then automate the approval process. Thank you.
Thank you.